The scientific method is a process created in the 17th century through which hypotheses are defined, tested, and either proven or disproven. It is a process of determining the accuracy of scientific theories through careful observation and experimentation. The scientific method is used when creating and executing an experiment. The scientific method is a scientific way of testing ideas and reporting scientific inquiry results. A key component of the scientific method is that it ensures that anyone should replicate the experiment. If that is not possible, then the results are considered invalid. There are 6 steps to the scientific method: define purpose, construct hypothesis, test the hypothesis and collect data, analyze the data, draw conclusion, communicate results. The process of executing an experiment using the scientific method ensures that your work is well thought out and organized. All data is recorded and can be shared easily. This process also reduces any bias on the part of the scientist experimenting. Furthermore, communicating the results allows peers to review the work to ensure the results are precise, accurate, and correctly interpreted. Today, my experiment will be freezing water. Here I have 2 cups of water. I have a spoon, and I also have some sugar. Define purpose. I want to know if water freezes faster on its own or with sugar added to it. Construct hypothesis. The null hypothesis is that there will be no difference in how long it takes the water to freeze, whether or not it has sugar added or not. The alternative hypothesis is that there will be a statistically significant difference in freezing time between the 2 scenarios. Test hypothesis and collect data. Again, I have 2 containers filled with the same amount of water, a measured amount of sugar. I will add to the cup now. Place the 2 containers into the freezer at regular intervals of 15 minutes. Open the freezer and observe the status in each container. Continue until both have completely frozen. Write down the time it took for each container of water to reach a fully frozen level. Analyze data. Look at the time it took for each container of water to freeze. Did the water with sugar added take significantly longer or shorter amount of time? Draw conclusion. Based on the results of the experiment, conclude as whether water with sugar freezes faster, slower, or at the same amount of time. Communicate the results. Report the findings in the form of a written report. So I have some sugar. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this one and put the lid on the water without the sugar. I will go ahead and put this in the freezer, and I will check this every 15 minutes to see which one freezes faster. And then I will come to a conclusion to end my experiment and complete the report. Thank you.